Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will show you how to power off or restart phone, Huawei phone. This is the Huawei Nova Y90. So a power button, press and hold, but not power off. You can see here not coming power off or restart option. So how to solve? Go setting, right here, power button. You can see here wake with power button. Click here. Just turn off this option, turn off. Okay, then try, press and hold the power button, scam, restart and power option. You can see again, press and hold the power button, scam, restart and power option. This is the amazing way. So you can see any option. This is the Huawei Nova Y61 here, the same way, press and hold, but power button not coming, power option not coming. So go setting, right here, power button, wake with power button, click here, just turn off this option, then press and hold the power button, scam. Okay, so thank you so much, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.